Where are we?
And
Granary Road!
Granary Road, dollhouse.
Dito.
Granary Road, dollhouse. They have pencils. They have pencils.
Mamaya yan. Ala!
I hear some
What is that?
dragon.
Is it a dragon? Give your hands, baby. This one, thank you.
Then to get outside, you're just gonna go through the gift shop doors.
Okay. Where should we get the golf club?
Golf is also gonna be in gift shop.
Okay, yeah,
Get
for
you
sure.
sorted out there.
Thank you. Froggy, Raya, si Froggy. Mabuhay pa yung Froggy ko na ano? Stop toy nun. Lawak dito, oh. Ay. Sulitin ang tag-init. Ganda rito. Picture mo na, me! Sige na. Picture mo kami dalawa, me? Teka, nag-picture kami dito. Ayan. Ay, ang ganda! Ay, sayang. Lumipad na sila.
Hindi na kuha.
Oh, go.
Go.
Mali ka na.
Happy birthday!
Wala namang my birthday. Okay, where should we go first? With the spider? Okay, let's go there to the spider. It's a big one. Ma, dito muna tayo. Doon muna tayo kay ano? Kay spider. Ang ganda oh, ang ganda rito oh. Okay, go. Nagbe-video si Mimi. Laki ng spider. Did you see that?
Look at that.
Oh, what is that?
It's so big.
No, it's just a decoy.
It's so big.
It's a ducky, I think.
Yeah.
It's a duck. Is it a duck?
No.
Ma, there's a big decoy. Ang ganda rito. Oh, hindi natin dala yung mic. Ay, meron pa to oh. Gusto mo dito? Ha? Sa zipline? Sa zipline? Oh, teka lang. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Yay!
Wag kang bibitiw.
Hilahin mo lang siya, me. Hilahin mo lang siya, tapos dito, pag ganito. Me, hilahin mo lang siya, wag mo na siya ibaba. Ma, gusto mo ba? Ha? Hala! Ma, gusto mo? Oh, hilahin mo na siya pag ganon. Ako din naman dito. Dito ako magbibideo pababa sa kanya. 1, 2, 3! Hala! Yee-hee! zipline na no. Ayaw ka pa kanina ha. Ayaw ka pa kanina. Doon tayo sa ano.
Babe, by the way.
Doon sa malaking.
Dun tayo, oh. Nakakapagod eh. Iaakyat namin tapos ikaw lang nakasakay.
Kaya nga.
O, akyat ka na sa spider web.
Laki ng spider oh.
Akyat ka na.
Raya, here ah. Yes. Woo! There's a big spider. This is what you call the ant mimic spider. Laki. Ay, yikes. You know, that's my best friend here. This big guy here. Ang laki. Yikes. Laki niya, no? Yeah, spider. You wanna go? Oh, sige, go. Daming spider, oh. Look at that, guys. Ang laki niya, no? Kunwari yan yung ano niya. Ay naman si Ant Farm. Ang daming ants kunwari. Play ka na dun. There's a big chicken here. Oh. Raya, look. You wanna try? You wanna try? It's a big bird. You wanna try? Yeah. Iliko mo doon. To the right. Yan. Ang galing niya ah. Ang galing ah. Are you good?
Yeah.
You want more? Sige, go all the way there. Ang galing niya ah. Come on. Tractor. Sige. You have to be consistent, baby. Continue. Ang galing niya ah. Pakita natin ito kay Papi. Papi to. Tsaka kay Daddy. Oo, tama na. Huh? Sakay ka ulit dun. Ay, nauna na siya ulit. Ah, dito naman, dyan oh. Upo ka dyan oh. Picture. Picture ang kata. Yeah. This big spider. Or ano? Laki niya na. Ayun o, dun o. Train. Hi! Choo-choo! Chaga-chaga choo-choo! Doon pa sa pumpkin. Ang galing niya ah.
Dun tayo sa zipper.
Doon naman o. Zipline. Anong zipper? Zipline. Here! May horsey pa oh, may alpaca pa. Halika na, titignan mo muna natin 'yun. Yun oh. Alpacas. Doon sa pumpkin, baby. Sa pumpkin. Ito oh. Sa B. Okay, go. Ayun na sa kabilang side. Yung si Mimi. Hello, donkey. Hello, donkey. Sige, bigyan mo. Ganda ng donkey, oh. Sige na, pakain mo na siya. Ganon mo sa kamay mo, oh. Ibaba mo lang doon. Sige, kakainin niya yun. Sige, sige, naamoy niya. Diyan, no, it's okay. It's a horse, baby. It's not a dog. Sige na, pet mo. Is he full? We're checking the goats. Load goats. Ay, it's so cute. Makain siya. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hindi yan. Ayun yung nakain niya yung pumpkin. Ay. Sumusunod na siya. Ay, ang dami ma!
Nasaan tayo po?
Ayun o. Ha? Moo, sabi niya. Oh, hello. Hello. It's so fluffy. Halika dito, baby. Halika dito. Halika muna. They're itchy. They're scratching their back. Come. This one. I think she's pregnant. Is she? There's a baby inside. There's a baby inside.
Yes, you have a... Is this baby inside?
There's a baby inside. These two. Look at these two. Look at these two, baby. Itchy. Ah, where'd you come from? Hello. Good morning. Daming alpaca. Oh. Look, baby. What is this? Dami nila, no? Hey, say hi, baby. Huwag masyadong close. Hello. I-say something kasi para lumingon siya sa'yo.
Hello.
No, baby. No.
Do you want this one?
Ayaw niya. Busog na siya. Katingin lang siya sa camera.
Mama, dun tayo sa zipline. Dun tayo sa zipline.
Go, sundan mo si Mimi. Dali. Suot ka na dyan.
Let's go, friends, Mama. I want to pat him.
Kaya nga sabi ko we can go inside. Di ayaw mo naman. Hello, goats!
Are you good?
Baby goat. Where are you?
I don't want that diaper. No,
Saan ang
no.
diaper?
Sabi
Yung ba'y baby goat? Yung ba'y kantang baby goat? Tingnan mo kumakain sila, oh. Ang ganda nito, oh. Beehive nila. Beehive nila. Oh, diba? Go! Go, Raya! This is a big beehive. Go ka sa inside. Ayan. Ang laki, no? O, tara na dun. Wala, konti lang dito. Halika na. Yung donkey. Umiiyak. Next is, sabi mo nga, Bat Cave. Nako, sino nakabitin na yan, oh. Ang laki, oh. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Go inside na, come on.
No, I want to go inside.
We'll just have to check it out. Ito lang pala yun, eh, oh. Bat Cave, baby bat. Ganyan siya, oh. Ayun, oh, si Mamaw Bat, tsaka si Baby Bat. Oh, wow! Ang laki niya na, no? Pero mas malaki sa atin.
Ito yung tusok niya. Ito.
That's a real bat, baby. Ano tong isa? Lesser hairy winged bat. Ito. Lesser false vampire bat. Java giant mastiff bat. Leschenot rosette. Painted bat. Dagger tooth long nosed fruit bat. Lawak dito, maglakad-lakad everyone. Lalakad na kami hanggat may araw pa. Or I mean hindi pa nag-snow yung labas. Ayan yung dalawa. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Tingin ka rito, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hey, we're gonna do it again. Huh? Are we gonna do it again? I'm tired now. Huh? I'm tired now. Wait. I have to hold you here. Tuwan-tuwa si Waya. Tuwan-tuwa si Waya. Ay, bakit ganun? Sabay ba? Oh my God! Ayun ba? Orchard Treehouse. Go! Okay, go! Ang ganda ng araw nito, oh. Hindi masakit sa balat.
Hawakan mo to.
Oh, may kulang.
Please.
Okay. Ang laki niya, no? Diba? Ang ganda talaga pumunta sa mga ganitong lugar. Kaya habang kaya pa natin maglakad-lakad, diba? Ilibutin natin. How a fruit tree grows. Ayan yung anatomy. Ayan si Raya. Kaya naglaro muna namin. Ito kasing ano na to, Granary Road opens 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. Kaya maglaro hanggat open pa. Saan na punta? Did you make friends? Yeah? Ay! Where'd you go? Sige, go! 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 Where are you? Ah! Come on. Okay, go back. Yeah. Peekabills. This is life in a log. Laki ng mushroom na. Hindi naman tayo sa mushroom world. Yeah, go. What's in there? Whoa, they're so high up. Huh?
I don't like it.
Why?
But it's so scary.
Oh, tingin ka, alika na. Let's cross na dun sa frog pond.
Wow, it's so high.
I know, look at that.
Oh, ganda nitong kanya. Oh. Tingnan mo yung mushroom, oh.
Ayun ang ano. Hibi-jibi. Ew! Yung mushroom na yan, oo. Poisonous. Yan yung kinakain yata natin, Inoki or hindi? Alika na, alika na.
Mushroom.
Inoki, alika na. Doon tayo sa
Mushroom.
shiitake. Hi. Ay, bawal dyan sa loob, ha? Raya, I see a piggy. Ayun, oh. Doon, oh, ayun, oh. Ah! Ayun! Loko! Come on now. Sa frog. I don't know. There's nothing there. Come on. Sumakay na. Hello, little piggy. Sino yan si
Bouncy ball.
Peppa Pig?
Let's go to the bouncy.
Doon yun sa ano, sa frog. Dito ka, dito. Oo nga, dito ka nga sa daan. Hindi pa kami napunta rito sa golf. Kasi hindi pa namin nakuha yung golf club namin. Welcome to Frog Pond! Ayun na si Frog. Ayun na si Raya. Talon-talon na siya. Ayan na. Ayan na silang dalawa mag-ano. Ala, ba't umalis ka? Masakit yan sa legs.
Masakit nga. Parang matutumba.
Raya. Ala. Gusto mo akit ka sa Froggy? May Froggy slide pala eh. Ang laki ng dila. No! The other one. Here. Diyan, diyan. Go, 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 go. I'm here. Let's go. It's okay. Wow, yung dumi nga. Pagpag-imipit mo. Ang laki nung ano, Froggy oh. Laki nung Froggy. Okay ka na, Raya? Okay.
7 years to go.
Ano daw? Okay ka na? Ang dumi na ng puwit mo. Hala! Ayun nga yung signage, oh, bawal baby at malalim yan eh. Baka mahulog tayo. It's very dangerous nga eh. Diba? Lumalakas yung hangin, no? I know. Ganda, no? It's very nice in here, baby, right? Ala! Ah? Itong way na to pala. Mikot na kami ulit. Oh, ayan yung papunta dun. Ayan o, Chicken Coop and Cropland. Ha? Laki ni spider dun oh. Dami nila oh. Dami nila dyan oh. Ha? Nagugutom? There's a baby goat here. Ano yan? Pugo? Bingala. Ano yun? Bingala daw. Bingala. Hala, gutom yata sila baby oh. 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 You have to wait, Raya. Ay, oo nga, bingala nga. Akala nila may pagkain tayo. Akala nila may pagkain. Ba't ganun? Okay na, dito. Pag ganun tayo, pag ganun. Baby goat, baby goat.
I don't want that diaper.
You don't want the diaper. Ah! It's okay, you pet him. Mabait sila. Pet. Oh. Diba? They're bait, oh. They're bait. Goats are bait. Sige ah. Hello. Hello. Dahan-dahan ka sa husungay niya ah. Ito. Hello. Hindi, pet mo. Pet mo Raya. It's okay. Yeah. Oh, don't poke the eyes. Hello. Ang dami nila, baby. They're looking at us. Hello. Ayun oh. Laki oh. Laki nito isang chicken na yun oh. Nag-aaway yung dalawa. Nag-aaway yung dalawa. Dami, no?
Doon tayo sa egg. Ayun o.
Saan? Should we go to the bouncing ball? Yeah? Mamaya na? Okay.
Swing me.
You can swing it. Madali lang yan. Hindi katulad ng regular na swing. Come on now. Doon no, sa ano? Chicken ni Papi to. You wanna try? Come on. Ayun pa. Oh. Hindi, galing na tayo doon sa ant. Ants yun eh. Gusto mo picture ka doon? Let's go to the bouncing ball. Chicken ni Papi to. Chicken ni Papi to. Me! Chicken ni Papi to. Ang laki. Gusto mo dyan? Ah.
May nabahay dito.
O, bayaan mo yan. Hello, sabi mo. Papi to, this is your chicken?
Papi to, this is your chicken?
Ang laki naman yung chicken mo. Ah, halika na. Sa bouncing ball. O, baba na. 1, 2, jump! O, dahan-dahan na. Tatanggalin ba yung shoes? Tignan mo muna. Okay? Hindi, dun sa bouncing ball, tignan mo. If may ano sila, sabihin na remove your shoes off. Na yung bata, oh. Wait! Ganda nito. Cabbage. Daming bata. Ayun. Si Raya. Mawawala din niya mayan. Kita pala dito yung. Oh. Kita pala yan eh. Oh. Diba? Tignan natin yung mga nag-ano dyan. Yung fa-farm. Ayun. Oo, nag-harvest sila. Laki niya, no? Yan, kakain muna kami at gutom na. Tiramisu. Oh, gutom na gutom ka na? Ng ice cream? Okay, go na. Yung playground to sa loob ng farm. Ayun yung zipline, no? Your favorite. Kaya pala, gustong-gusto niya dito. Ayaw mag-zipline? Ha? Canola is used in so many ways. Oh, yan pala yun, canola. Ngayon, kunwari yung canola oil. Oh. Balik-balik lang. Raya, soccer. That's a soccer ball. What are you gonna do with that? Use your foot. Come on, show it to Daddy. Oh, one more. Boom. Okay, let's go.
Let's go to this.
Beef cattle. Go na doon, go na. Ang dami, oh. mga slide din na malaki. Oh. Plant lab. Let's try. Magnified plants. Ang galing din, ano? Parang museum din to pala. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Kaya pala yun. Pwede din siyang palitan. Microscopic pollen. Pwede siyang palitan. Ayun. Let's try this one. Microscopic pollen grains. Ganyan siya pag pinunta mo sa microscope, baby. Ganyan. Where you wanna go? This one too. Plant's root. Okay, put it on, put it on. No, here, like this. Okay. Wow, look at that. That's the roots of the plants. Oh. Tapos meron pa. Ito naman, spores. Grabe din, ang ganda, oh. Microscopic spores. Para talaga siyang science museum. Talagang recommended for kids. Adult and kids. What is that one, Raya? Mycelium network around mushroom stem base. Look, this is the mushroom.
Yeah, the other one.
Okay. You wanna see that? Okay, go. Put it on. Watch your finger. Wow, isn't it so amazing?
Yeah.
You're so
Is
pretty.
it morning?
Huh?
Is it a morning?
What is morning?
This one. They're morning.
Morning? What is morning?
This one. I'd say it's for the
No, it's moss. It's a moss spores. Yung lumot. Trampoline? Look at that. Grasshopper. Yay! It's okay. That's for you only.
Oh my God.
Ganda na. Ayan, dyan ka sa grasshopper. Sige, doon ka sa kabila. Hop, hop. Yes! Don't be scared, it's just grasshopper. It's just a display. Isn't it nice? Oh, there's a big chicken! Look at that. Wow, that's huge. Ang galing naman talaga dito. Ang galing-galing. Every corner talaga. May enjoy mo. Ang daming makikita talaga dito, parang museum. Ito naman, hindi nila tinurn on yung ilaw. Okay, let's go. Let's check. We can check every corner. It's okay. What is this? Basket for what? Oh. Saan ka na? Okay, let's say give it a shake. What shake? What shake? Oh. Give it a shake. Ganon? Okay. And that's it. That's one.
There's the last one here. Where did it go?
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Thank you for doing that. See? You piled up those baskets. Good job, baby.
Yeah.
Good job. Just give it a shake, though. Just give it a shake a little bit. Moo! Moo! Sabi niya. Raya.
Let's go there.
Okay, go. Go to the slides, okay? The slide. Ayun yung slide, ayun. All the way there. Where are you? Okay, go. Okay, go, Raya. Yay! Ayun, parang museum din talaga. Kaya napaka-nice. About farming. Yung theme nila. Galing, ang galing talaga. Tapos ito naman is... Yes, go! Just ano na, mag-play ka na. Hydroponics plants. So, ganyan siya, oh. Yan. Pinapakita yung paano magtanim ng hydroponics ng mga plants. Or kung ano yung benefits nila. Ayan, sabi niya, select difficulty to start the game. Ah, may game pa talaga. Ito. Tapos ito. There are 6 types of hydroponics system. Dami talaga makikita rito. Ganyan siya. Say cheese, sabi niya. Raya, here, oh! Ano ba to? Ang laki ng egg. Raya, what is this? It's egg. You wanna try? Tingnan muna natin yun nandyan, oh. Ito. Shh. Sabi niya, make the crazy rooster crawl. Chickens naman. Look! T-Rex! Ayun yung pindutin mo yung red button. Iiyak siya. Ay, ano naman to, wall climbing. Wall climb. Ay, you have to use the stairs either way. Come on, I'm waiting for you.
Another rattle. So funny.
May another na naman slide ayun. Kaya siya mag-slide. Saan ka na? Go! Peekaboo! Okay, go! Sige ah. Oh, sige dyan. Look at you. Halakan, liit ni Raya. Oh, sige, ano mo ulit dun sa loob. Oh, go. Go na. Scarecrow outstanding in his field. Raya, saan ka na? Sige, dikit mo yung katawan mo. Sige pa, pati puwit. Igano may puwit mo. Yan, oh. Alis ka na. Ah! Hala! It's okay. Ayan siya, oh. Potatoes. Susort niya. Susort niya yan. Kunwari. Oh, ganun pala yun.